Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA broke yesterday above this descending trend line. That is indeed a potential breakout signal, but I don't use trend lines so much in my analysis. What I find more reliable are horizontal support and resistance levels, and this red box here needs to be broken first, especially the upper boundary at around 47.9 cents. This is really crucial because against that level, the Elliott wave triangle count, which allows for one more low, actually looks really good. So we've been tracking this triangle for a while and it's now complete. Okay, so the forecast, you could say, was followed, but obviously a triangle doesn't really give us a clear direction. So with a triangle, it's just sideways consolidation, so it was quite boring. But yeah, one of these scenarios we were tracking, and which I said would have control until we break resistance, is this triangle, which indicates indecision, but it keeps the door open for one more low. So this here could have been the A wave, B wave pullback, C wave rally, D wave pullback, and then an E wave. And now it could break down. And this is the ideal spot from where we could start the last low from. Okay, I'm not telling you it will happen. I'm just saying watch for it. At the moment, I don't see any sign that this is what's happening. Yeah, it would need some downside momentum, but I'm just saying this is possible. If a possible top develops, I mean, this could be the start of the wave 5. Takes a break though, at least below the last swing low, that is yesterday's low, at around 42.6 cents. Better a break below the 1st of May low at around 41.9 cents to suggest that this is actually what's unfolding. And then the target range to watch is 36 to 38 cents. This is just one of these scenarios. And as I said, you know, we have a 3-wave move up. It looks really good. It looks complete. Everything's there. Doesn't mean it has to come down now, but it means the prerequisites are fulfilled. Conditions are fulfilled. However, we also have the resistance area on the chart, and I mentioned to you many times that these triangles often morph into something different, so you cannot trust them, especially in this cycle. They've been really stubborn, so something different might be going on. For example, a break above the C wave high here would indicate as 47.9 cents, would indicate that at least the triangle is shifting, and it would extend because an E wave cannot move above the C wave high. That in turn will reduce probabilities for the triangle because it will have to prove itself first. Okay, because again, then we only have 2 waves basically, and it takes a C wave, D wave, E wave. So if it doesn't break down from here, then the bears have messed up, which is great. Yeah, but the bears would have messed up. So that indicates more strength, and then it would rather most likely follow here the orange. At least I'm watching for the orange count then, which requires, however, then a break above 52.2 cents to confirm that further. But this is still sort of a breakout scenario in which, as long as the 1st of May low is holding, we could expect a rally minimally to 60 cents in the 3rd wave, and then the 4th and the 5th, which should reach 64, 65 cents. If we get these 5 waves, we can say a low was in, and we can start to track really the larger degree 3rd wave to the upside, which should send us to like $2, $3, maybe even $4 in this bull market. Yeah. For now, however, we're still caught in the range, and we haven't broken above support. We haven't broken below support. We haven't broken above resistance. Nothing really happened. It's just that the pattern evolved further in a sideways consolidation, lower volume, lower volatility. And I just want to share with you, we've arrived at a key pivot now. The wave count is technically full in this wave E. And we're now watching for clues that possibly wave 5 has started, or a break above resistance will again keep the focus on the orange scenario, which, yeah, I mean, I'd like to see. I mean, if Bitcoin pushes further, most likely ADA will break resistance, and then we can watch for the next resistance, 52.2 cents. And again, it takes a break above that one to take the orange one really seriously. And then we could start to assume that the low is already in, but it takes a break, it takes a break above 52.2 cents, yeah, but also it takes all 5 waves to be filled into 65 cents. In this case, we already have a roadmap on the chart with those upside Fibonacci levels there to watch as possible targets. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.